Good afternoon, Utkarsh. Are you there, Utkarsh? Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Now,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, now you're audible. Okay, good. 3 students have joined. Very good.
ma'am, to
No, Aviral is also
please to
joining. Aviral is about to join. Okay, what we are supposed to do today? What did we do last?
ma'am, we have done the worksheet.
We have done some worksheet
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, till question number 9.
till question number 9. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll get my book.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which work we are doing? Can you send me the PDF? Because ma'am, I'm not having book because ma'am, my French book and notebook is left
Okay, wait. I'll send.
in my like पता है वो मैम gone खो गई थी मेरी book.
Okay, what was the last question we did in the workbook? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the last question that we did?
Complete avec les mots de l'année.
Better tell the question number. Utkarsh, beta, if you no, were we doing the workbook or we are doing the main book?
Ma'am, question number 9. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, workbook.
Which question of workbook? Tell me.
Ma'am, question number 9.
Okay, question number 9. Complétez avec les jours de la semaine et les mois de l'année. Okay, perfect. Now do one thing. Sanya, you want the PDF of this work?
Yes.
Yes. So Utkarsh, beta, please send it on the class group. Send the work on the
But
class
ma'am,
group. Aviral, have you found where we are?
Yes, ma'am. I was there in the previous class.
Okay. Good. Utkarsh, beta, are you sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am, only you have to share because ma'am, we all are in different sections.
कोई बात नहीं. Let him share. I'll forward it.
Ma'am, only the worksheet.
Yes, this workbook now send from question number 9, then send page number 57 also. After that, 58 also. We'll be completing the
I
work.
don't have workbook.
You don't have workbook? Okay, so you want me to share, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Chalo ruko fir then. Give me a minute.
You study the class.
Sanya, beta, your voice is cracking. It always keeps cracking. I can't understand what you are saying. Type in the chat.
Then my mic is not.
All right. I have shared the work. I have shared the pictures in all 3 sections. Just check whether you've got it or not.
Yes, ma'am, got.
Found it? Okay. Now I'll be sharing the screen as well.
Ma'am, we have to do the question 9 on the workbook.
Yes. Question 9. Now see, this is question number 9, third part. 1 and 2 we have already done. It was shared last week, I suppose, with
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes. Next is je vais à l'école le. I go to school on what day? What
Ma'am,
day?
Landy.
Lundi. Very nice. Very good. Write it down, everyone. Lundi.
Monday.
Next. La fête nationale en France est au mois de.
Ma'am, Janvier.
No. Is it in January? In France.
Ma'am, no.
When is the
Ma'am,
National
January.
Festival of France?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this we have discussed in a school. Wait a minute.
It is in the month of July. It's on 14th of July. So, mois de juillet.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next.
Ma'am, please wait.
L'anniversaire de mariage de mes parents est en. Now, I don't think there is anything to explain here in this sentence. So, the months would differ. That is why they have
Yes,
not
ma'am.
given any particular number of blocks.
Now, ma'am, I got my PDF, and ma'am, now I can also write the answer.
Next question. Retrouver les mois de l'année. So here only you are going to find all the months that you find. Oh, that you, yes, you'll write all the months that you find.
Ma'am, I got March. March.
There are just 8 months hidden in this grid in the word maze. So let's look for them. One is already given. Another one, Mars, has been found by me too. Then other children, are you finding them? Are you trying to look for the
Yes,
words?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have got Avril also and Juillet also. I have got August also. Oot. Then Avril, Juillet.
Ma'am, I got September also.
September. Oh, I haven't.
Ma'am,
Yes, I have found. I too have found September. Yes, beta.
ma'am, we have to do 10th question in notebook.
No, no. Just for fun. Let's do it here only. You can write the answers in the book of the months you find. Got them all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How many in all have you found?
Ma'am, 4.
January, April, July, March, September. Any other month apart from these 5?
Ma'am, August.
Yes, August. No, 2 are left. Even I'm not being able to find those 2.
Ma'am, I have found May also.
May, where is May? I'm looking for it. I'm not finding it.
Ma'am, in the last third line.
Last third. Oh, yes. May is found. Chalo, now 1 is left. May, then it is going to be Have you found April? Avril?
Yes, ma'am.
Juillet?
Yes, ma'am.
Août?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Janvier? Oh, sorry, Janvier
Yes,
is
ma'am.
given. Mars?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
May?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
May.
Sep-
Yes,
And September.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. You got
One
that.
is, so one is remaining now. Still one is remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see who finds it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, December is remaining.
How do you know it's December? How do you know it will be December only?
Ma'am, I just guess.
Acha.
Ma'am, do we have got May? Ma'am, I got that.
Yes.
May was found, beta.
May, September, March, Juliet. Ma'am, you are in school?
Yes, beta. I'm in school.
Yes, ma'am. That's my bad.
Ma'am, please call. Ma'am, I found June.
Which one have you found?
Ma'am, June.
Juin. Where is it?
Ma'am,
Finally.
where July is written.
Yes, July is. Oh, yes, it's right there. Now, see, after you spoke, I could see. Good. July is written horizontally and June is written vertically. So, we all have found all 8 words now.
Yes,
Yes.
Let's move to the next one. Okay. Lisez le passage et répondez aux questions suivantes. Yes. Now go through this passage, read it out, and let's see if you can understand. Done?
Yes, sir, I can't understand last lines.
Last line. Okay.
Ma'am, I can
And the rest of you, what about you?
Ma'am, understand and searching for the word like true,
Okay.
false.
Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi. Pierre va au restaurant avec sa famille.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning?
Pierre va au restaurant. Pierre goes to the restaurant with his family.
His family.
C'est l'anniversaire de son père. It is the birthday of his father. Son père s'appelle Monsieur Michel Lacroix. His father's name is Michel Lacroix. Il a 42 ans. He is 42 years. Il est jeune. He is young. Demain matin, tomorrow morning, Pierre va à la plage et le soir, il va au cinéma. Tomorrow morning, Pierre is going to the beach and in the evening, he is going to the cinema. Dimanche, il reste à la maison. Sunday, he stays at home. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the tre ou faux. Do it yourself.
Ma'am, done.
Samedi, Pierre va au restaurant.
Ma'am, for
Faux.
Ma'am, faux.
Faux. Why? Because il va au restaurant en vendredi.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes. Son père est jeune.
ma'am.
Oui. Ré ou faux?
Ma'am, Ray.
Ré.
Ma'am,
Il est jeune. Very good. Dimanche, Pierre va au cinéma.
ma'am.
Ma'am, faux.
Faux.
Ma'am.
Masque, Pierre va. Oh, Pierre reste à la maison. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now, sharing the next page with you. Okay, trouver les mots du texte. Trouver les mots. Now, which word is this? Morning, young, today, beach, and birthday. Do it.
We have to write in French.
Yes. Find the words from the text. I have shared
What
the
am I reading?
on WhatsApp. I have shared it now. So see from there and write these words.
Ma'am, got it all. Got it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So what is the word for morning?
Ma'am,
Yes. What is the word? Tell me. Which word in the text means morning? Yes. All of you have done or still doing? Beta, why are you not replying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many students are here? I can't see only. Okay, just 2 participants. Who are those 2? Sanya. Sanya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now.
You have done now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the word for morning? Which word in the text means morning?
Ma'am, this I'm somewhat confused, but
No, bonjour is
morning.
good morning. Only morning, like in the morning. Okay, the word is matin. Matin.
Matin.
Yes. Matin.
Ma'am,
Bon matin. Like we say like this. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
young. What is the word for young?
Ma'am, that
Yes.
J-E-U-N.
Say it, jeune.
Junior. Jeune.
Jeune. Very good. Today.
Aujourd'hui.
Very good. Beach.
Plage.
Plage.
Large.
And birthday.
Anniversary.
Born anniversary.
Anniversaire. Anniversaire. Okay. Now, complete avec un mot du texte. Now, this is going to be interesting one. An interesting one. Chalo, start doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Le dash on ne va pas à l'école. Le dash. On ne va pas means one does not go. One does not go.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are in school, so ma'am, show the 7B and 7A class.
Wow. You want me to go around in the corridors carrying my laptop, huh? I'm sitting downstairs in the office.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, sit there only.
Done? Done, beta?
No, ma'am.
Finding any difficulty or you'll do it?
Ma'am will do.
Okay. Okay, done. Le dash on a verb pass à l'école. What will come here?
Way.
Huh? On dash one does not go to the school.
Ma'am, Dimash.
Dimanche. Le dimanche on a verb pass à l'école. Then next. Le soir, je vais à la dash avec mes amis. In the evenings, I go to the dash with my friends. Maybe they're talking like after school. Where do you go? Because it is given feminine gender also. Yes, so what we'll use? What word are we going to put here? Huh? We can use the word maison. Right? Maison word is
That
given?
à la maison.
Yes. Le soir, je vais à la maison avec mes amis. Mon dash s'appelle Monsieur Paul Dubois. Mon. Now, whom would you name as Monsieur Paul Dubois? Either your
And the
father.
father.
Yes. Because frère word is not given here, so we are bound to use père. Il a une grande. Il a une grande. He has a big what? Maison. We can put maison.
Ma'am, we can put restaurant, ma'am, like in there we have used.
But restaurant is masculine gender and it is given une grande. So we can't use restaurant. Yes. So we are
La
going to
maison.
use maison. In the previous one, it could be a la plage also. Plage is given in the text and it is feminine gender also. So in the evening, I go to the beach with my friends. Okay, if you don't want to use same word in both the blanks, let's make second one the beach and the fourth one house.
House.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next. Regardez l'image et répondez. So look at the picture and reply. Now what is this? This picture is of what? What is it?
It is the picture of the month.
Yes, it is a picture of a calendar, right? The month of September. Yes.
September.
So it's calendrier. What do we say? C-A-L-E-N. Write it down. C-A-L-E-N. Calendrier. D-R-I-E-R. C'est un calendrier. Written? Now, qu'est-ce que c'est? The first answer to the first question I have already told you. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un calendrier. Okay? Nous sommes auquel mois? Now do the rest three on your own. Hurry up and do them in 3 minutes. Then the last minute we are going to discuss the answers. Done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. What about you, Samya and Aviral? No, Aviral is not there. Samya, what about you? Yes. Okay. Nous sommes auquel mois?
Ma'am, which month is this?
Yes. So,
Actually, ma'am, I got disconnected.
all right. Have you done this exercise?
Yes, ma'am, now done.
Okay. Second question, you will tell. Nous sommes auquel
12
mois?
nous sommes-nous?
Huh? What? What month
Ma'am,
is
which
this?
question?
What is the answer of the first one? Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, my answer is that, ma'am, the first one, que
Okay. I don't know why. What is wrong with the network? Second one is nous sommes au mois de septembre. Right, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the third one. Quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes. What is the day today? Mercredi
Ma'am.
aujourd'hui. Nous sommes mercredi aujourd'hui. Yes. Have you written the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Then, quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Quel jour sommes-nous? Okay, what I have done a mistake by telling what actually what today it is. But what we are supposed to tell from this calendar. Okay, Utkarsh. So, quel jour sommes-nous? They have highlighted 13th of September, which is Sunday, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, we are going to write nous sommes dimanche aujourd'hui. Then, quelle est la date aujourd'hui? The date